Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 30th of August, 2024. The Indian stock market reached new heights, with the Sensex and Nifty both hitting record highs. The Sensex surged by 257.11 points to close at 82,391.72, while the Nifty jumped 94.85 points to end at 25,246.80. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Cipla, Bajaj Finance, M&M. While losers were Tata Motors, Reliance, Tech Mahindra. Talking about the corporate segment, we have small-cap media player CINEVISTA shares surged to its upper circuit of 10% as the stock saw only buyers on August 30th. The jump in the stock price comes after the firm's JV with developer K. Raheja obtained all necessary permissions to begin development of a residential project. The project being developed by K. Raheja Core Home stands under the title Antares. Currently, K. Raheja Corporation's marketing team will begin sales for Tower A. Sales for Tower B will be initiated at a later stage, as currently informed. Last year, K. Raheja Corp Realty entered into a development agreement with CINEVISTA to develop a land parcel spread across an area of 3.91 acres located in village Hariyali in Kurla, Mumbai. The agreement value is 272 rupees crore for K. Raheja Corp and 78.35 rupees crore for CINEVISTA Limited, according to documents accessed by CRE Matrix. The developer plans to construct a luxury housing project on the land parcel. The total plot area is 15,817.5 square meters and the permissible built-up area is 52,117 square meters, of which the developer's share is 75.5% and the owner's share is 24.5%, the documents showed. Shares of PATEL Engineering rose 6% on August 30th after the company signed a memorandum of understanding with RVNL to jointly pursue hydro and infrastructure projects in both domestic and international markets. According to a regulatory filing, the MoU outlines a collaborative framework that combines the strengths and expertise of both companies to undertake hydro and other infrastructure projects. The agreement will enable both firms to explore opportunities for collaboration across various capacities. RVNL and PATEL Engineering will collaborate on select hydro and infrastructure projects, combining PATEL Engineering's infrastructure expertise with RVNL's experience in rail and transport infrastructure. The MoU allows both companies to bid for projects either jointly or independently. In joint bids, they will coordinate on strategies, structures, and terms to ensure a unified approach. The MoU emphasizes enhancing synergies between the two companies in the hydro and infrastructure sectors, with a shared commitment to excellence and high standards of project execution. PATEL Engineering is an Indian infrastructure and construction company specializing in civil engineering projects like roads, railways, bridges, dams, tunnels, hydroelectric powerhouses, irrigation projects, and refineries. Shares of Safari Industries surged nearly 6% to an all-time high of 2,485 rupees in early trade on August 30th, driven by a spurt in volumes in the counter. Trading volumes in the counter rose as 1 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, higher than the one-month daily traded average of 73,000 shares. Shares of the company are up over 17% in the past month. Earlier this month, Safari Industries reported a 9.4% year-on-year decline in net profit for the quarter at 44.4 rupees crore. Despite the weak bottom line, the company's revenue for the June quarter grew by 5.5% to 450 rupees crore. However, the EBITDA margin also contracted sharply by nearly 400 basis points, dropping to 14.6% from 18.5% in the same period last year. Regardless of the weak quarterly earnings, the company still fared much better than industry rival VIP Industries, which reported a steep 93% decline in its net profit to merely 4 rupees crore. A major bone in the throat for VIP Industries, which could turn into an advantage for Safari, lies in their respective exposures to Bangladesh. VIP Industries relies on its 8 plants in the country, with 30 to 35% of its capacity sourced from there, while Safari's dependence is lower, as it procures goods from third-party vendors. Managing inventory liquidation and addressing issues in Bangladesh will be crucial as the festive and travel season approaches. SPICEJET share price slumped as low as nearly 5% on August 30, a day after the aviation watchdog Directorate General of Civil Aviation decided to place crisis-hit airline under enhanced surveillance. The sharp fall was witnessed in the shares of no-frills carrier after reports of cancellation of flights and financial stress being experienced by SPICEJET. DGCA said it conducted a special audit of the airline's engineering facilities on August 7 and 8, and certain deficiencies were found during the audit. The enhanced surveillance will entail increased spot checks and night surveillance to ensure safety of the airline's operations. In 2023, the regulator had placed SPICEJET under enhanced surveillance. In light of the past record and the special audit carried out in August 2024, SPICEJET has once again been placed under enhanced surveillance with immediate effect, DGCA said in a release. SPICEJET scheduled flights on Thursday from Dubai faced cancellations due to non-payment of certain dues to the Dubai airport. The company had a 20% fall in its consolidated net profit for the first quarter that concluded in June 2024, at 158 rupees crore. The same was 198 rupees crore during the same period of previous financial year. Sri Vasu Logistics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 270.69 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 259.877 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 230.57, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.23. Globus Spirits Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1072.20 points with a change of 19.12% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.397 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 932.67, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.56. Arahant Capital Markets Limited in daily time frame is trading around 88.76 points with a change of 16.82% and is trading with a net volume of around 10.29 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 79.79, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.71. For the stock recommendation we have, UPL Limited looks good and can be bought at 599 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 576 rupees and a target of 625 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.